Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. In this video, we'll be learning how to read the beam section for a structural drawing. As your civil engineer, it is very important to know and to understand on how to read the structural drawing before construction work starts. Now, first of all, let's check on how to read this beam section for a structural drawing. This structural drawing has series section, section 1-1, section 2-2, and section 3-3. Now let's start with section 1-1. Section 1-1 have a beam dimension of 230 millimeter, which is the width of the beam, and it have 300 millimeter, which is the depth of the beam, which starts from this point up to this point, and it have a thickness of the slab, which is 150 millimeter, which is the thickness of the slab. This beam section, it have two zones, bottom zones and top zones. Bottom zone is where tension reinforcement is placed, and top zones is where compression reinforcement is placed. Now let's how to read the details in this beam section. At the bottom, there should be 3 bars with a diameter of 16 millimeter at bar mark number 1. At bar mark number 1, this bar mark used to identify where the beam starts and ends from. Now, as at the bottom there is 3 main bars. So the first bars, the second bars, the third bars at bar mark number 1, and at the top there is 2 main bars with diameter of 16 millimeter at bar mark number 1. So the first bars, the second main bars, and there is 1 extra bars over supports for negative moments with a diameter of 16 millimeter at bar mark number 1. So this is extra bars is provided over supports of the beam for negative moments. Also, this beam section have shearings, sometimes known as stirrups, with a diameter of 8 millimeter at a spacing of 200 millimeter at bar mark number 2. At bar mark number 2. Now let's check also section 2-2. Section 2-2 have a beam dimension of 230 millimeter, which is the width of the beam, and the depth of the beam is 300 millimeter, and the thickness, and have a thickness of the slab, which is 150 millimeter. Also at the bottom there is 4 main bars with diameter of 16 millimeter at bar mark number 1. So this is the first bars, the second bars, the third bars, the fourth bars, and at the top there is 2 main bars with diameter of 16 millimeter at bar mark number 1. So this is the first bars, the second bars. For this beam section 2-2 have no extra bars, and it have the stirrups with a diameter of 8 millimeter and at bar mark number 2 with a spacing of 200 millimeter. These stirrups used to hold the main reinforcements and to prevent cracking. Now let's check also section 3-3. Section 3-3 at the bottom there is 4 main bars with diameter of 16 millimeter at bar mark number 1, and at the top there is 2 main bars with diameter of 16 millimeter at bar mark number 1. So this is the main bars, the second main bars at bar mark number 1, and there is 2 extra bars with diameter of 16 millimeter at bar mark number 4. So this is extra bars number 1, extra bars number 2. These extra bars provided always at the top of a span of the beam for negative moments. And there is shear links or stirrups with a diameter of 8 millimeter at bar mark number 2 with a spacing of 200 millimeter. This is how beam section is leading. Now, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so as to be notified for the next video. Thank you. See you.